Lots of reinforcement. And it solved the problem though. That gear off of this is the third edition, second edition, first edition. Either way, the second edition, the gear was slipping on the drive gear, and didn't really know what the problem was, but I thought it might have been this junction. I really overlooked the main problem was right here where it's connected. It was warping the frame, and didn't fix it in the third version either. But the fourth I did, and it doesn't look as good, I don't think now. But added that bit all the way around it. So now the frame doesn't warp right there where the gears are concerned. However, the front does still warp, and I could go through the pains of fixing it, but yeah, I don't know. Kind of tired of this project. Might revisit it at some point in the future, but this is where I'm at for now. Well, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.